Howdy crew, the welding rig is being built today. Let's get to it. Today's big day. Welding rig is being built, had it sent in, and is being worked on, and it might be done even tomorrow, so we shall see about that. Very excited, and there has been multiple comments recently saying about the truck build and wondering why I'm not doing it, and be perfectly honest, because I don't know how. I don't know anything about auto body stuff. That's just not my field. I've never done anything like that, and the last thing I want to do is screw up the truck, because then insurance won't cover it. Nothing will cover anything that I start fooling around with. If a company screws up, then that's on them, and they would have to fix it, whether it be them fixing it or paying for it to be fixed. But if I do something and mess it up and I have no idea what I'm doing, that's all my fault, and then the truck is a complete loss. And so I'm not willing to chance that. I would like to build another rig, obviously, at another time, but with this one, I have no clue what's going on with. I don't know how to do fenders and run wires. That's just not something that I know how to do, and I'm perfectly honest about that. I don't know how to do it. So yeah, all that good stuff. Punching holes in the bed. I don't know how things need to be attached with bolts. Does it need to go to a chassis? Does it need to go to a structural member? I don't know. I leave that to professionals, and then when they're done with it, I'll take it. And so that's kind of the reasoning why I'm not doing it right now. I would like to learn to do all that stuff, so another rig be able to build that, but I just wanted to put that out there as to why I'm not building it. But the rig should be done either tomorrow or the next day. Hopefully it's done tomorrow. Obviously, I'll keep y'all posted. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.